This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Post-catalyst oxygen sensor renewal. Chock the rear wheels. Position the jackhead under the reinforced section of the door sill flange. Then raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the reinforced section of the sill flange. Prise up the centre pins and lever out the plastic expansion rivets each side of the undertray. Undo the torque screws and remove the deflector at the front of the undertray. Remove the torque screws at the front edge of the undertray. Undo the screws at the rear edge and slide the undertray forwards, noting how it engages with the subframe. Remove the tray from under the vehicle. The post-catalyst oxygen sensor is located in the front section of the exhaust pipe, at the rear of the engine. Reach up and disconnect the oxygen sensor wiring plug. Using a split-type deep socket, unscrew and remove the sensor. Apply a little high-temperature anti-seize grease to the threads, then screw the new sensor into the threaded hole in the exhaust pipe. Tighten the sensor to the correct torque. Reconnect the sensor wiring plug. Position the tray under the vehicle. Engage the undertray with the subframe each side. Then refit the rear screws and tighten them securely. Fit and tighten the front screws securely. Refit the front deflector and tighten the retaining screws. Refit the plastic expansion rivet each side, then press the centre pins down to secure them. Raise the vehicle. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground.